Shadow House by Grotto in Bayswater, Australia. Shadow House is an alteration and addition project that harmoniously blends old and new elements while celebrating the beauty of nature and natural light. The new addition, clad in charred jarrah, gracefully recedes into the background, allowing the original circa 1900 cottage to maintain its prominence and heritage within the streetscape. Mindful of its environmental impact, the addition incorporates many reclaimed materials. The expansive living area extends southwest to northeast, boasting a raking roofline that captures the morning sun and brings the life of the jacaranda trees into the space, while the afternoon sun energizes the living activities until sundown. Tucked away in the southern corner, a separate studio with a private courtyard features a dark timber-lined interior, offering a focused and tranquil guest suite. An airy atrium buffers the living area and studio, showcasing a warm, raw, jarrah-lined courtyard that invites a moment of pause upon entering the backyard. The contrasting integration of old and new structures creates a multitude of atmospheric spaces, each characterized by dynamic lighting and raw materials throughout the day. These thoughtfully designed spaces encourage fluid and unimpeded daily living, making life delightful and inspiring for the inhabitants. Conceived as an attempt at thoughtful design, both environmentally and experientially, the Shadow House offers a living experience bathed in natural light and embraced by the landscape. Its environmentally conscious construction allows the client to be inspired while remaining aware of living well.